all the students from 8th standard. In this lecture we are going to learn quadrilateral construction and its types. Okay, before that let us review previous knowledge about construction of triangles. Let us take an example of constructing a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, length of AB is equal to 5 cm, length of BC is equal to 5.5 cm, and length of AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Now let us understand how to construct a triangle ABC using given information about sides. Length of side AB is 5 cm. So let us draw a side AB with length 5 cm. Okay. So we have drawn here length AB with 5 centimeter length. Then now we have to draw side BC which is having length 5 centimeter. For that take a distance of 5.5 centimeter in compass, put steel point on B and draw an arc. Now we have to draw AC. For that take distance 6 centimeter in the compass, put that steel point on point A and draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. Now point of intersection should be point C. So join point A and C, join point B and C, and such a way we can complete triangle ABC. Okay? Do you understand it? Now next example number 2, we have to draw here triangle DEF. The measurements are given that measure of angle D is equal to 35 degree, measure of angle F is equal to 100 degree, and length of DF is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Segment DF with length 4.8 centimeter. Draw that segment. Now the two ends should be named with point D and point F. Now using protractor we have to draw angle of 35 degree at point D and angle of 100 degree at point F. So put the protractor on point D and draw an angle of 35 degree measurement. Okay. Now after that we have to draw angle of 100 degree at point F. So put protractor on point F and draw an angle of 100 degree. Now point of intersection of given two rays, it should be point E. So give the name point E at the point of intersection and complete the triangle ABC. Okay. Now next question. Now in this question we have to draw triangle MNP where length of MP is equal to 6.2 centimeter, length of NP is equal to 4.5 centimeter, measure of angle P is equal to 75 degree. So we have given two sides and one angle. So let us draw triangle MNP with given measures. First draw segment MP with length 6.2 centimeter. Okay. So segment MP with 6.2 centimeter. Now at point P we have to draw angle of 75 degree. So draw angle of 75 degree at point P. Draw each angle accurately. Now segment NP is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So take a distance of 4.5 centimeter using a compass. Now put that steel point on point P and draw an arc at the distance of 4.5 centimeter. Now the point of intersection should be point N. So give the name as point N at the point of intersection and join point M and N to complete triangle MNP. Okay. Now let us learn another construction of triangle. Now we have to draw triangle XYZ with given measure that measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree, length of XY is equal to 4.2 centimeter, length of XZ is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. So let us understand how to draw this angle. First we have to draw segment XY with length 4.2 centimeter. Give the name segment XY. Now at point Y we have to draw angle of 90 degree using a protractor. So use protractor and draw angle of 90 degree at point Y. Another segment, that is segment XZ with 7 centimeter. So take a distance of 7 centimeter in a compass. Now put that steel point on point X and draw an arc intersecting given ray. The point of intersection should be Z. So give the name point Z at the point of intersection and join point X and Z to complete triangle XYZ. So in this way we have completed here triangle XYZ with given measurement. Now let us learn to construct a quadrilateral. Before that you have to observe given quadrilateral LMNO and complete the sentence given here that every quadrilateral has ... angles, ... sides and ... diagonals. Okay. And what is your observation? How many angles are there in a given quadrilateral? Very good. There are 4 angles. And how many sides? Very good. There are 4 sides in given diagram of quadrilateral. And how many diagonals are there? Very good. There are 2 diagonals of given quadrilateral. Now, so there are total ... elements of each quadrilateral. 4 plus 4 plus 2, that is, yes, 10 elements are there. Totally 10 elements are there. Given diagonal is segment QS. Okay. Now let us understand how to construct quadrilateral PQRS. Draw first a figure or diagram of quadrilateral PQRS to understand its exact construction. Give the name PQRS to the vertices of that rough figure or illustrative figure, illustrative diagram. Yes, PQRS. Write all the measurements given here. That segment PQ is 5.6 centimeter. Then segment QR is 5 centimeter. Then segment PS is 4.3 centimeter. Segment RS is 7 centimeter. And quadrilateral diagonal QS is 6.2 centimeter. So after writing all the information in an illustrative diagram, let us start to draw quadrilateral PQRS. Firstly, we have to draw segment PQ with 5.6 centimeter. So using ruler, let us draw segment PQ with 5.6 centimeter length. Let us draw segment PS. For that, take distance 5 centimeter in the compass, put the steel point on Q and draw an arc. After that, we have to take the distance 4.3 centimeter in the compass, put that steel point on point P and draw an arc. Now the diagonal QS is of the length 6.2 centimeters. So take a distance of 6.2 centimeters in the compass, put the steel point on point Q and draw an intersecting arc. Now the point of intersection must be point S. So give the name point S to the point of intersection. Join point PS and QS. Now we know that the segment RS is given here with 7 centimeter. So take a distance 7 centimeter using ruler in a compass. Now put the steel point on point S and draw an intersecting arc. Now if the arcs are not intersecting, then increase the arc which is necessary to intersect. So extend any arc which is not intersecting there, and after intersection, the point of intersection should be R, point R. So give the name point R, join Q and R and Q and S. Such a way we can complete a construction of quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, do you understand it? Very good. Now let us understand next construction. Now next construction, to construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Construct a quadrilateral WXYZ such that length of YZ 4 cm, length of ZX 6 cm, length of WX 4.5 cm, length of ZW 5 cm, length of YW is 6.5 cm. So remember that here three sides so let us draw first segment, that is segment YZ with length 4 centimeter. Now let us draw segment ZW with 5 centimeter. So take a distance of 5 centimeter in the compass and draw an arc. Now one diagonal, that is diagonal YW, is 6.5 centimeter in the length. So take a distance of 6.5 centimeter using a compass. Put that steel point on point Y and draw an intersecting arc. Now point of intersection, it should be W. So give the name W to the intersecting point. Now join ZW and YW. Now another diagonal, that is XZ. Diagonal XZ is of 6 centimeter in length. So let us take distance 6 centimeter in the compass and draw an arc. So take distance 6 centimeter, put that steel point on point Z and draw an arc. Now another information, that is segment WX with length 4.5 centimeter. So take a distance 4.5 centimeter in the compass, put that steel point on point W and draw an intersecting arc to the first arc. So point of intersection should be X. So give the name point X to the intersecting point. Now join X and Y and W and X, so that we can complete here quadrilateral WXYZ. Do you understand that construction? Okay. Now next construction. To construct a quadrilateral, if two adjacent sides and any three angles are given. Now two adjacent sides and three angles are given here. Measurement of three angles are given. Let us take an example to construct a quadrilateral LEFT such that EL is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EF is equal to 5.5 centimeter, measure of angle L is equal to 60 degree, measure of angle E is equal to 100 degree and measure of angle F is equal to 120 degree. Now construct a illustrative diagram first, or draw illustrative diagram first. Angle L is 60 degree, angle E is equal to 100 degree and angle F is equal to 120 degree. EL is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EF is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So write all the measurements given in the information and draw an illustrative diagram so that we can construct accurate quadrilateral. Now for drawing accurate quadrilateral, we have to first draw segment EL with length 4.5 centimeter. So draw segment EL with length 4.5 centimeter. Now at point L, we have to draw a angle of 60 degree using protractor. At point E, we have to draw angle of 100 degree using protractor. Now segment EF with 5.5 centimeter here. So take a distance of 5.5 centimeter in the compass. Put that steel point on point E. So put the steel point on point E and draw an arc at 5.5 centimeter. And it is intersecting given ray. So point of intersection should be point F. So give the name point F there. Now we have to draw point angle F with 120 degree. So put that protractor on point F and draw angle of 120 degree. Now so many times some lines or rays are not intersecting, so extend that ray so as it can intersect the another ray, and point of intersection should be point T there. So in this way we have completed the construction of quadrilateral LEFT. Okay, do you understand it? Now let us understand next construction. Now fourth construction, to construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 angles included by them are given. Now we have to given 3 sides and 2 included angle. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length of QR is equal to 5 centimeter, length of RS is equal to 6.2 centimeter, length of SP is equal to 4 centimeter, and measure of angle R is equal to 62 degree and measure of angle S is equal to 75 degree. So let us draw these quadrilateral. For that, learn how to draw illustrative diagram here. Draw first illustrative diagram. Angle R with 62 degree, angle S is equal to 75 degree, and segment RS which is 6.2 centimeter, segment QR is equal to 5 centimeter, segment SP is equal to 4 centimeter. So write all the measurements given in the informationary part and draw such an illustrative diagram. Illustrative diagrams are very important and they are helpful to construct original quadrilateral or original diagram. So after completing illustrative diagram, let us start to draw quadrilateral. So firstly we have to draw segment RS with length 6.2 centimeter. Segment RS with 6.2 centimeter here. So let us draw segment RS. Now we have to draw two angles, angle R 62 degree, angle S 75 degree. So using protractor we have to draw angle of 62 degree at point R. Now put that protractor at point S and draw an angle of 75 degree. Now segment QR is 5 centimeter, segment SP is equal to 4 centimeter. Now take distance of 4 centimeter in the compass. Put the steel point on point S and draw an arc at distance 4 centimeter. It should be point P there. Now QRE is 5 centimeters, so take distance of 5 centimeter in the compass. Put the steel point at point R and draw intersecting arc. The point of intersection should be point Q there. So join now point P and point Q to complete quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, in this way we have completed here quadrilateral PQRS with given measurement. I hope that you all understand the given construction of triangles and quadrilateral. Okay, thank you.